Good morning, everyone. Welcome to episode 2 of 420 Fishing Special Ed. We're at Greenwater Pond today. I've already bagged one fish right at the landing. I'm making a run to the other side of the lake where it's a bit more shallow. Greenwater is known for being the deepest pond, or I think it's a pond. The deepest pond around here. I think it gets to be around 50 feet. I'm sitting in 35 feet of water right now. Anyway, I'm making a run. Just wanted to check in real fast and let you know what's going on. And thank everybody. And anybody who's watching, subscribe. I got no subscribers. Subscribe. And I'll put out more videos, more fishing videos all the time. Any knowledge I have, I am willing to share. I'm not stingy with the knowledge. Anyway, let me get back to paddling so I can save some daylight. I'll check back in. So good morning again. I had a bad loop in my line after I caught that perch. I just caught a perch right behind the boat. Just while paddling over here. Good sized perch too. It was a good one. Really good one. Anyway, this is Greenwater Pond. Paddling over here, the deepest spot I saw was 60 feet. It was like 60 or 61 feet. That's deep. And the water's low, so that means it gets deeper. The water's kind of low right now. Anyway, I'm retying El Grubbo. So I had to get that knot out. This spot is right on the side of Route 20. The boat access is not so great, which makes for great fishing. Really good fishing. Alright, this knot is done. I always do the Palomar knot. It's a pretty good knot. Safe, solid knot. The only one I know, unfortunately. Alright, let me get back to fishing. Alright? Hopefully I'll catch something. Check in. And he's gone. Quick release hook. Gets to the boat and got another one. This one's a little bigger. Good one. That's a good one. Hey, buddy. Thank you, buddy. See ya. Look at that fish. That's number 4. That's number 4 on the buzzbait. Alright, bud. See ya. Thank you. Oh, yeah. It's all very flat back here, so I'm just fan casting everywhere. Try to see any weird patterns in the weeds. I'll cast those. Oh, there we go. Fish on. Go. Another bassy. Oh, easy, buddy. Easy there, champion. Easy, big guy. Easy there, fella. Yeah, a little baby fish. I'll let him go. Bye, buddy. another one. Look at this. Little baby guy. There you go. He's off. I have a feeling when the sun comes out, I'm not going to be successful. Or I'm going to have to change my strategy. Alright, this one's a little better one. This is a good one. A little stronger fish, a little bigger. We call him a whopper. He's a good size, healthy, very healthy. Healthy. Good fighter. Look at this. Where is that? There we go. Kiss him before you say goodbye. Oh yeah, he's good. He's a pretty healthy fish. Thank you. Thank you, bud. Killing it today, man. I haven't smoked any reefer yet because I'm trying to take advantage of the good light. As soon as the sun comes up and I catch a couple more fish, I'm gonna get so high. Alright, I'm gonna catch another fish. Yeah, another one. Look at me. Hey, quit jumping. We got an acrobat. Yeah, he doesn't like this, not one bit. No siree, Bob. There you go. Another good fish. Beautiful buddy. Thank you. See ya. I want to hit it hard, man. Hard. So good morning again. So a little recap of what's been going on this morning. We've caught a lot of fish, a lot of bass, one perch, one big perch. Dragon just trolling behind the boat. I came here with a plan to get the early morning shallow bite, and I went straight to the shallows of this place, Greenwater Pond. It's right off of Route 20. It's in the Berkshires also. Great fishery. Clean your boat. Clean your boat. Pick up your trash. Sorry, side note, very sporadic. Good fishing so far. Got some fish on camera. Lots of fish on camera. Some I didn't even put on camera because I caught so many fish. Today's reefer is called Do-si Do. It's Girl Scout cookies, if you ask me. It tastes just like Girl Scout cookies, which I love. It's one of my favorites. Favorite. So, without further ado, I'm gonna smoke the first bowl of the morning on the water. So I took bong hits on them already. Alright. That's what I'm talking about. That's what the doctor ordered right there. That's good. That's real good. Came here with a plan, and I executed the plan, and it's all good. Lots of fish in the boat. I wore that buzzbait out. I think it's time to move on, give it a break. The sun's up. I'm probably gonna do some grub and some worm. I'm gonna work the deep side of this lake or pond, which would be the highway side. Whoever's closest to the highway, you'll figure it out. Route 90 runs right along this piece of water. So without further ado, let me get back at it. Damn, usually it didn't work like this. So I'm heading back. Successful day of fishing. Lots of fish. I couldn't videotape all of them. I couldn't even smoke after every one because I would have smoked all my weed. Smoking on some sour right now, mixing it up. A little bit of sour. But gotta head back in and head to work. Overall, productive day. I really like fishing this place. It's really close to where I live, so I'm gonna be fishing here more. Really deep, 60 feet, you know, in some spots. One half of the lake is very shallow though, and then one half of the lake is very deep. Very clear water, not a lot of weeds. So please clean your boat if you're gonna come to this place. Just make sure you don't bring any, you know, outside weeds, because this place is really like how it used to be before all the different kinds of hydrilla came in, which came in from live wells and boats. But yeah, anyway, productive day of fishing. Let me take a little hit here, and then I'm gonna paddle myself back home and head to work. Anyway, thanks for watching. We'll catch you next time. And yeah, pick up some trash if you're out there fishing. It's good karma. And yeah, get those fish, smoke that weed. See ya. Peace.